Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, listen up. I've been wanting to do this video for some time, and I've been doing a lot of shopping in Lowe's, so I said I gotta do this video because y'all probably heard me speak on this several times throughout, the couple of years. But you guys also know that SE is a crazy couponer, and I told y'all you guys to stop paying full price on things, right? So there's a website called hold on you guys. There's a website called quickcoupons.com. All right, you guys, y'all see this? Look. And I'm hoping that my camera is focusing in for you guys, because for me, I can't see it. But I will do my best to put this link in the description, okay? So, when I go to Lowe's, I purchase this coupon. This coupon is like $2. Right, and you could pay it through your Cash App. I mean, Cash App, PayPal, and your debit card. However you choose, you can pay it. So you can get multiple coupons. Like you can get them in bulk. So the bulk is like 5 coupons for like $10, and each coupon will be $20. Excuse me, $20 off. Now this is not just Lowe's. This is Home Depot too. So again, you will go to quickcoupons.com, quick with a K, right? So most of the time, I will buy my coupons in bulk. I will get like 5 coupons, 20 off of 100, and they have different prices. Like they have some $10 off of 50, $100 off of $1,000, something like that. So they change periodically, but I usually focus on the $20 off of 100, because that's usually my budget whenever I go in Lowe's. 100. So if I purchase $100 worth of products, and I hit that 100, you got to hit the $100 mark before taxes, okay? Before taxes. Remember what I'm saying, before taxes. You get $20 off. So who don't want $20 worth of free products? So a lot of times I'm not paying for bone meal and blood meal. There have been times where I have gotten blueberry plants for free, trees for free, a lot of my plants, transplants for free. But most of the time I do transplant at my local garden center. But if you want to get your transplants from Lowe's as well, I mean, you could save $20 and get like 10 plants for free, because mostly Lowe's transplants are usually like $2 and change. So you figure if you get 5 or you get 10, you can save $10 or $20. But we all want to save $20, right? We all want free products. So this is a way to get free products. You can coupon at Lowe's and Home Depot. So again, I'm gonna keep mentioning this website throughout some more of my videos, so you guys could get it. And I do apologize because I've been wanting to do this video for a while, like I said. So quickcoupons.com, and I'm hoping that you guys could see it. Now when you go to the website, it's basic shopping. Like you basically shop, you check out, you purchase what you want, and that's what you get. So let me tell you this now. Usually when you shop, they have a $20 it's called the $20 off promo, and it's $20. The promo, you will have to key in $20 now, right? And you can see it. I hope y'all can see it. Now if y'all don't have this, I'm giving y'all the game. Use 35 off. 35 off. You will key it in where it says promo, and once you get on the website, you'll see it. If you have a promo or discount price, you want to put in 35 off, because then you get 30% off of the price of that coupon, which is it's only $2. So that's what it's usually like maybe 93 or something, but then you'll get that 90 something cent off. I'm just giving you a rough draft, but most of the time you will just pay $2 for that coupon, okay? So use the 35% off. Wherever say promo or coupon, put 35% off. Don't forget, because you will be able to get more off than the 20% off, okay? So I'm gonna put this up here so you guys can see it, because I cannot see it. So I'm really hoping that you guys can see this. Comment below and let me know if you guys can see this. Okay, because it's definitely really, really sunny out here and warm. Okay, so if not, I will link this in the description box. And again, quickcoupons.com. Quick coupons.com. Quick coupons.com. Y'all got it? I know I'm being repetitive, but I want y'all to get it. So y'all get $20 in free products, free vegetables, free seeds, free trees, free blueberry plants, especially blueberry plants, because the blueberry plants is only $10. And the grapes are usually, the grapevines is usually $10. I done got free grapes, yes, you guys. So this is why I'm bringing this to you guys' attention. Every time I go to Lowe's, my budget is $100 and I save 20 bucks. Free products, all right, you guys. Free. That's the couponer in me. All right, you guys, I hope this video was very informative to you guys, and I apologize for being so late with it. But yeah, you guys, get out there and coupon at Lowe's and Home Depot. All right, you guys. Until then, thank you so much for tuning in to Homesteading with SEK. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Peace.